Hi, we're looking at solving angles that share parallel lines. We're going to look and discover what corresponding angles are, interior angles, and alternate interior. Let's start by looking at these two parallel lines, which we know are parallel because they both have a single arrowhead on them. If you connect any two parallel lines, or if you cross them with a third line, first of all, this line's called a transversal. And what a transversal does is it creates a set of four angles on one parallel line, and then if you follow the transversal down to the second parallel line, a second set of the same four angles. So if I mark these angles A, B, C, and D, if I follow this transversal down, down to the other parallel line, this angle is the same as angle A, this one's the same as angle B, this one's the same as angle C, this one's the same as angle D. These two sets of angles are called corresponding angles. And again, formed by crossing two parallel lines with a third line called a transversal. Corresponding angles are congruent. So let's look at this set of angles here. I have the same two parallel lines crossed with a different transversal. And what that sets up is four angles here. But if you follow the transversal down to the second parallel line, it sets up four angles here as well. They are corresponding angles, so they have to be congruent. They have to be the same. So this angle on the top left is the same as this angle on the top left down here. This angle on the top right is congruent, or the same to this one here, and so on. I have four congruent angles to these four congruent angles because it's two parallel lines crossed with a transversal.